What's going on, guys? So today's goal is to make my Softail Slim S look like a Harley club style bike. If you've seen any club style Harleys, you'll see that they have drag bars, a fairing at the front and typically a square back seat. So as you can see, I've already got the drag bars, I have purchased a fairing and I have got a square back seat. So let's get them installed. So I'll start with the easiest part, and that's installing the square back seat. First of all, let's take the old one off. So as you see, I've removed the plastic tab from the rear fender. Now I've got to get up and under the rear fender and insert this nut, and that allows this seat bolt to go in. It's a pretty cool seat bolt, it's the Punisher theme. So the cool thing about that bolt is this little tab with the image on it is removable, and it's got a small rubber grommet on there which keeps it in place. It's the little things in life. So now I've got to install these mounting bolts, and the brackets will just clip into those plastic lugs there. So to get the fairing nice and square with the headlight, we've got some nuts inside here which attaches to the fairing and to the mounting tabs. And as you can see, those nuts allow the fairing to move, and they're on either side. So I've just loosened them off, and I'm going to try and get it in place and then tighten them up. I think that's nice and even. Job done. Alrighty, so that's going to do it for this one. I know it was a very quick video. As always, thanks very much for watching. Please let me know in the comments what you think of the club style Softail Slim. I know it's not to everyone's liking, and there will be a few people out there that says it looks like balls. Each to their own. It's a look which has really grown on me, and it's a style that I love. If I do get tired of it, I can always take those parts off, so it's no big deal. Anyway, I'm sweating bullets out here. I'm going to go inside and tuck into a couple of beers. Catch you on the next one.